My name is Joe Paradowski. I am the Assistant Production Manager at Delta Sonic Auto Body Shop. At Delta Sonic Auto Body, we employ professional technicians with years of experience that will repair your car back to factory conditions. What we offer is full service collision and mechanical. We have a state-of-the-art car aligner frame machine and measuring system. It's all digital. Our guys have been trained by the manufacturer on how to use it. We have a car aligner spot weld machine, which creates and duplicates the exact spot welds that was on your car when it left the factory. We also have a state-of-the-art Global Finishing Solutions downdraft bake spray booth so that we can bake your paint on just as the factory does for strength and durability. Nothing is going to surprise us. Doesn't matter how bad of an accident your car got in. We've seen it before. We'll see it again. We do offer a lifetime warranty on all of our collision work against fading paint or shrunk up bodywork or rust on the panels that we replaced. We offer a lifetime warranty. As long as you own the vehicle, we will stand by our work that it will look as good as the rest of the vehicle for as long as you own it. A lot of people have never been in an accident in their life, so they get hit by somebody and they don't know what the next step is. Give us a call. We're open 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. Stop in for any of your car care needs. We'll be more than happy to help you.